I'm Dr. Kayla, the dentist you can ask anything. We've been talking about teeth since day one. But what if a tooth is gone?
It's not anyway, so when the tooth fall unhome, 2 plus 2 is 4. So the conclusion is that we don't have to do anything, we just let it be. That is all.
A lot of people thought when they lost their teeth, they can just, well, let it be. That is not wrong. But have you ever wondered what will happen after your tooth got pulled out? When a tooth is extracted, the bone surrounding the tooth will start shrinking. It's like pulling out a tree. The soil will just collapse into the hole. Now, what will happen to the teeth beside the extracted tooth? Pulling out a tooth is like pulling out a book from the middle of a bookshelf. Everything else will just collapse into that space. Teeth next to the extracted tooth will start shifting and drifting in position. Even the tooth opposite to the space will start over-erupting as well.
Yeah, so scary. Your dentist to scare people one hole. So after what my how long can I wait? It's too late. Got expiry date.
Asking how long can you wait before you seek treatment is like asking how long can you sit on a broken chair. You know that it's broken, you know that it's gonna give way at some point, but it is impossible to tell if that will happen in the next minute or the next month. So, what can we do to prevent that? Doing nothing is an option, or we can place a denture, a bridge, or an implant.
Implant, I know that. Banana, potato, chili, my house, all plant one. What implant? I don't know. What is that?
We are actually talking about dental implant. Dental implant is like an artificial tooth. It can permanently replace your missing tooth by fusing to your bone through what we call osseointegration. I hope it comes out like that. It is made out of 3 parts. The implant, which is surgically positioned into your bone and acts like the root, followed by an abutment which connects to the crown, which is like the head of your tooth. Just like denture or bridges, it is able to replace any missing tooth or teeth, thus helping you to talk and chew properly. It also stops the neighboring and the opposing tooth from drifting into the space. Unlike denture, an implant is able to integrate to your jaw, thus you don't have to remove it, and it also helps prevent the bone from shrinking. It does not affect the neighboring tooth, unlike bridge, which requires some tooth preparation by cutting down the neighboring teeth. Now, let's get real and talk about the dark side. Dental implants are more expensive as compared to a bridge or a denture, as the material itself is not cheap to begin with. It also requires surgical placements, CT scans, and x-rays to know if you're a suitable candidate for implant placement and also for your treatment planning. As costly as it sounds, it is one of the best options to get your missing tooth replaced. Think about it, if it can last you 10 years or more, it is actually more economically worthy to get it in the long run. But of course, not everyone is a suitable candidate for implant placement, so please visit your nearest dentist or specialist to learn about your treatment options before making your decisions. That is all from me today. I hope you learned something new, and feel free to share this to your friends and family who has missing tooth or teeth. As usual, don't forget to brush your teeth and keep your gigi squeaky clean. I'll see you next time. Bye!